Start recording. So this is a demonstration for the EyePro2. It's quite simple. These are size 3 nickel plated eyelets. Very simple to use. Simply insert the top part of the eyelet to the top of the EyePro2. Drop in the bottom part. Take your sample or your banner. And then pull down, press, pull it out, remove the loop. There you go. That's the SIGNGEER EyePro2. It's also possible to eyelet a hemmed banner quite easily using the EyePro2. For this one we've used the SIGNGEER hemming tape just to hem the banner before application. The eyelets themselves are available in nickel and brass in a variety of sizes, and the EyePro2 can come with a variety of dies depending on what size eyelets you actually need. We'll eyelet this one using the brass. Again, it's exactly the same motion. Apply the top piece into the top, drop the smaller piece into the bottom, bring in your banner at the position you want to punch the eyelet through. Apply a little bit more pressure as we're going through 2 layers, like so. Remove, pop your centre hole out, and there you go. There's your eyelet sample.